Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you a simple demo on creating a project. This project is built for students who are participating in the hackathon or Ideate challenges, and this web application will gives them a lot of idea at the instant moment of time with the help of Streamlit based web application with Python and Generative AI. Okay, so for this zero coding is enough for us, and with the help of ChatGPT we could generate a code and we could run in the Streamlit based application. So I'm just going to show the demo of the project. So I'm going to give a prompt to the ChatGPT. So I'm going to generate or build a Streamlit based web application for design thinking based for using Python and Google Gemini LLM. Okay, Google Gemini LLM is a generative AI. Okay, so I have to keep the title for the application as design thinking based solution app. Okay, so the web apps should contain space for entering the problem statement, and the LLM should generate the solutions through design thinking ideology. The app must give inputs and insights for the user to build a prototype and few more suggestions to build a prototype. So let's say we could even fix it at the prototype, or we could say detailed inputs for the all five stages of design thinking. So consider necessary inputs as a design thinking based idea generation. The report must be downloadable one. So generate the suitable code. So I'm just giving a prompt, and the ChatGPT will suggest how it could be doing this. Alright, yeah, the codes are getting generated. Fine. So it's a simple version. I'm just going to show a demo how it works, and if we need any changes in the code, then it could be given in the ChatGPT itself to redefine the way that we need. Yeah, now the code is ready. So what I have to do is I have to copy the code just here. After copying, I have to open Notepad. Okay, so I have to create a new file and I have to paste the codes here. Okay, so for example, I am going to keep the name for the code into download folder as dt.py, and I'm going to save as a type of all files. and I'm going to save it. Okay, so this is ChatGPT generated code. I have to change the Google Gemini API key and the model to work fine. So in order to generate the Google Gemini API key, I'm just Google Gemini free API key. There are a lot of LLMs, but Google API will be available free where we could take it. Okay, AI Studio, no, developers, no, I have to take it from Studio. AI Google Gemini free API key Studio, AI Studio. Fine. So in order to get API key, I'm just going to change the accounts. So you can create on any accounts that you wanted to create. So now I'm using my official ID and creating an API key. So here is a key which is available, already available. Let me take create key. Okay, so my key is available here, and I'm just copying the key and I'm going to paste in the Python code that I have. Alright, and the model I have to choose, because Gemini works with a model, and the model may be listed in the code. I have to search it or find it. Let me find it. Model, here it is there. So here the model is listed at 1.5. so I have to go through Google Gemini models, and the best version is for 2.5 or 2.0 flash. Yeah, when I click that, so I'll get the model name here. I have to select the model, I have to go back to the key, and I have to enter the Gemini model flash here. So now I'm going to save the code. Okay, so now I'm going to run the Python application. So in the command prompt, just giving a prompt, Streamlit run dt.py. So there is an error, OpenAI, and even I could give this back to the ChatGPT and get a source code for this. Okay, I'm getting this error. Could you please help me out? So maybe the error of Gemini API key, I'm going to change the API key into new one. Let me see how it works. Let me use this one. I'm going to switch the account. So now I'm going to create a new project API key. So just create project, I have to click and I have to name it TB play or something that I'm creating, and creating a project. and I'm just going to click a create key. And I'm going to use this key over here. So when I refresh, I have to give again the code back to say remove OpenAI concept and use only Google Gemini, and correct the code and give back to us. Alright, the code is getting run, and yeah, the code is ready. Now I'm copying the code again and I'm going to paste here, and I have to use the Gemini API key again. Maybe I'll be taking from this any of the model that I've created. And the model is Gemini 2.4 Flash. So now I'm going to save the file and run again. Yeah, the app is ready.